Hello friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel voidloopRobotech and Automation. Today we are going to make LED chaser with PIC microcontroller and I will demonstrate on Proteus Simulator. Let us get started. Now I will open Proteus, new project. I will type here project name LED chaser and I will select project folder. This is LED chaser with PIC microcontroller. I will select OK. Next, 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 finish. Wow. I will select here component PIC16F877A. Click over here and OK, and I will take LED. Red, and I will take resistor. Okay, any resistor we can take. Now select PIC microcontroller and keep here, zoom. Okay, I will take 8 LED. Because I will use here 8 LED on port B, so okay, and I will take resistor. I will change value to 20 ohm. I will copy to clipboard and I will paste. Okay, I will select all select and I will rotate anti-clockwise, zoom out. Okay, I will connect all connection. I will connect 0 bit and R7 with 1 bit. Like this. I will take here ground. Okay, and I will do common all cathode pin. Okay, circuit is completed. Now I will open MicroC software. Okay, I will create new project. Next, I will type project name LED chaser, and here I will select folder. I will save all this file in this folder. Okay, I will select here microcontroller name. So controller is PIC16F877A. Wow, this is crystal frequency is 8 megahertz. Okay, next, finish. This is C file created, and I will save in same folder. Save. I will start programming. You can see here I have connected all this LED on port B, and I am using all bits of port B. So I will initialize as a output to all pin of port B. So for initialize output, I will type trace B 0x00. It's for output. Okay, and I will set by default all pin is low, so port B equal to 0x00. Okay, I will use here infinite loop while 1. Okay, first of all I will turn on first LEDs. So port B equal to, for 0th bit it is 0B00000001. Okay, and here delay to 50 millisecond, and again port B equal to 0B00000010. Okay, and again delay millisecond to 50 millisecond delay. Okay, now I will copy and I will paste. Okay, only I will change here binary digit. First is 0 0, and second third fourth fifth 6th, and here 7th bit. Okay, I think code is ready. I will build. Okay, and I will go to Proteus and I will select here hex file. So I will double click and go to program file, and here this is hex file generated. Okay, okay, and I will run. It is blinking slow, so I will stop and again double click on this chip. I will type here 8 megahertz. Okay, and I will again run. Wow, you can see this is running. So one thing we have to change here in code. This is binary form, so I will change here. So I will change in hex format. So I will copy this and I will paste here. This is quick converter. We can convert here in binary to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal. So I will paste here. You can see in hexadecimal it is 01. So we can type here 0x01. And again I will copy this. Paste, you can see here 0x02, 0x02. Both are same, but this is in binary form and this is in hex format. I will again copy this. So it will be 0x08. So it will be 0x1. So it will be 0x10. And it will be 0x20. And it will be 0x40. And it will be 0x80. Semicolon, semicolon, and here semicolon. Okay, I will again build. I will go to Proteus and I will stop and again run. See, this is working same. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please do like, comment and share, and don't forget press the bell icon after subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.